Hello everyone, I'm your host 5 Minute Tutorials and welcome back to another episode. So in this episode I'm gonna be teaching you Pixel Art 101. It's gonna be an episode based. If you haven't watched the last episode, you should go and watch the last episode because I teach you all the basic stuff of this editor that we're gonna be using. It's called Pixelorama. Okay, download link is in the description below. Today I'm gonna be teaching you all the basic stuff. So here's the things that I'm gonna teach you. So let me just ignore that first. So the thing that I'm trying to tell you is hopefully you'll be able to make these simple types of art after watching these tutorials. Okay. Without any further talk, let's just start. So let's start with the basic. Okay, the Pixel Perfect tool. So in order to do that, you need to first select the pencil, and then on the left tool you can add Pixel Perfect. Okay, Pixel Perfect. After you selected this, you can see some changes. Okay, you can almost feel it. So let me just show you the difference between the Pixel Perfect and not the Pixel Perfect. So this is the not Pixel Perfect tool. Okay, so this is the normal. So if I try to sorry, so if I try to do it normally, it would look like this, but if I added the Pixel Perfect tool, it would look like more like beautiful than before, more beautiful than this at least. So here's another example. So here I try to draw the same rectangle, but one is with Pixel Perfect and one is normal. I know you can guess already which one. So if you guess this is the Pixel Perfect, you are wrong. Okay, this is the Pixel Perfect. Okay, and this is not the Pixel Perfect. Let's go to the another example. Okay, so this is gonna be the fill tool. You already know what the fill tool actually does. Okay, so instead of wasting hours and days, you can just instantly just right click and boom, there it goes. Let me just do that. So I just did that with the normal bucket tool, and I'm trying to draw it now. Okay, another one, but I'm trying to draw it. You can see it takes a lot more time than it did. Okay, let's just stop that because you already know all of those. Okay, so the next is the select tool. This is a fun one. Okay, okay, if let's imagine I want to select this. Okay, so in order to do that, just select here. Okay, and then just hold this and press shift. Okay, then you can move the whole thing. So let me just divide it into small sections. So this is a really useful one. Okay, so I was able to make it into a sprite sheet by using the select tool. First I drew the whole art, and then I selected each individual like a section and deform them, so took apart. Okay, you can do a lot with this actually. Okay, let's go to the another tool, which is the eraser. So the eraser also has a Pixel Perfect. Yeah, the eraser also has a Pixel Perfect. So let me just show you a small example. Let me just undo all of those. So let me just show you a small example. Oh, and another thing is, you can if you have selected, a blue thing should appear. Okay, so now you can draw only inside that blue thing and not anywhere else. Okay, so now let's go to the eraser, and there's also Pixel Perfect and not a Pixel Perfect. Let me just show you. This is the Pixel Perfect tool. Okay, let me just draw like this. Yeah, this is a Pixel Perfect tool, and this is not a Pixel Perfect tool. So yeah, that's not a Pixel Perfect tool. Okay, you can already see the difference. Okay, there's a whole new level of difference. Another thing is the lighten and darken. If I just press left click, it will lighten it. And let me just do this, also do this. So yeah, you have to add both of the functions in there. So does the same. Oh, wait. Oh wait, I'll shift. If like I press shift, it actually isn't doing anything, so I don't know what like what's wrong with it, but I think it's only like for lightning. So let's just undo all of those that I did. Okay, so just give me a moment, let me just undo those. Okay, so then let me just go to the draw and just oops, X and draw. Okay, it's fixed. So another thing that I wanted to show you is the picker tool. You can pick colors. Okay, so you can pick colors, draw them, and then you can pick like whatever you want. Another thing is the scale tool. So if we go here, you can see there's no scale tool, but there is one. So let me just draw a dot here, and if I press shift, I can see, as you can see, there is a line. So if I press here, there we go, I just scaled one. So you can just do this. If you even deselect it, you can just press shift and it will start from there again. Okay, so pretty simple. You can do a lot of it with this. Okay, so let's just imagine a book. Okay, so another thing. So yeah, very basic stuff. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Okay, if you enjoyed this, make sure to like smash the like button and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Bye.